Hi loves, it's just aka Designer Mama, and in today's video we have another Coach unboxing. Now let's just address the elephant in the room. Coach, they're back. They have been killing it. They've been getting a lot of my money, okay? If you want to know what bag I got, then stay tuned, guys. Okay, so this bag is something I usually wouldn't go for, mostly because of its color. And I really wanted a lighter color, but I didn't want to invest in an expensive bag that I wasn't sure how I would be able to take care of it, if that makes sense. So Coach had this bag, and of course Coach is known for having very good quality bags. I figured why not give it a shot, and it was a good price point for me. Let's look at this beauty. It is the Pillow Madison Shoulder Bag with Quilting. Ooh, do you see her? Do you see her? She is so beautiful. Now, I know I say that about all my bags, but I truly think that all the bags that I pick are just like gorgeous. Now, this is in the color chalk, but to be honest, it doesn't look very white to me. It's more like a cream color. Let's just do a 360, okay? Because she deserves it. We're gonna give you 360, girl. Look, Coach, and it is also kind of like a pillow effect. It has the turn lock. Now, I've been loving these C turn locks. I don't know what it is, but I just, all right, let me not start. Let's open her up. Okay, so it has the stuffing, which I think I'm going to keep for now, just because I want to make sure it keeps its shape, but I'll take it out to show you guys. Now, Coach definitely packed this thing up. I truly love unboxing. I'm trying to be as quick as I can. Right. I want to take a second to show you guys. Look how beautiful the bag detail and straps are. So it has the chain and the leather in it together. It has Coach on the sides. There's a huge back pocket with a magnetic hold. Then when you open this up, it has one big opening. Guys, I don't know if you can hear my baby girl. She's crying. She's up from her nap, but she's with daddy, so she's okay. And then it has one opening in the front. If you can see, this bag is pretty spacious. So this is I believe it's the 26-inch, the regular one, and it comes in also an 18-inch. Now, I tried both on in store, and I really did want a bigger bag. Like I said, I do have a lot of smaller bags, but I do want to start adding medium-sized bags to my collection. Also, you know, my baby, by the time I'm able to wear this, my baby will be one, because I plan on wearing this a lot in the summertime, maybe even the spring. So I know I'm not going to need as much things, but I'm also going to want to put some stuff in here for her if I need to, if we're making a quick run. And I feel like this is like perfect size. So you can wear it as a shoulder, you can wear it crossbody, which I love. I love bags that are versatile. Guys, I'm like looking at this. Of course, I've seen it in store, but it's just so beautiful. Now, the sales associate told me that this is Napa leather, so this bag is, you know, you have to be delicate with it. It could scratch, it could get dirty, you know, it just is what it is, especially because of the color. So I do plan on taking good care of it, but I do also want to use it because she is gorgeous. I am going to wear her with, I'm thinking dresses, you know, summertime dress, and then throw this, you know, right? Cute. Okay, so this bag retails for $4.95. Now, quick story time. I purchased it from Bloomingdale's because they were having a sale. And the one that Bloomingdale's sent me, let's just say it was not up to par, all right? The bag was definitely a used bag. And I sent it right back. And I went to my local Coach store. And I just decided to purchase full price from there just because I was just turned off by the whole process. of buying it from a third party. And also Coach did tell me that when you buy directly from them, they do complimentary like cleaning, leather treatments. If anything goes wrong with the bag within the first year, they do complimentary fixes, so you don't have to pay. And I believe after the year, then you would have to pay. There's just a lot of perks from buying it directly from Coach. Now I do know that, you know, if you cannot afford to buy it from Coach and, you know, you do want to catch it on sale, then there's nothing wrong with that. But if you're someone who doesn't mind spending, you know, a little extra money just to get some of the perks or saving up for it, that is something to know in case you guys weren't aware of. She is pretty, and like I said, she is Napa leather, so because of that, I got something else. So this is kind of like a double unboxing. Ta-da! I got something to help take care of my bags. Now, I do plan on dropping them off, you know, for little touch-ups. But if I am home or if I do get it dirty, the sales associate did tell me, you know, it's important if you get color transfer on your bags, like nip it in the butt right then and there. So I felt a lot better having something at home in case, you know, I'm away or I'm not able to go to the Coach store in a reasonable time. So let's unbox. Let's unbox this. And I got the Coach leather moisturizer and the leather cleaner. Now I heard really good things about the leather cleaner. Guys, you don't necessarily just have to use this on your Coach items. It's a leather cleaner. Anything that's leather that you have from other brands you can use. I heard really, really great things about this. So I figured why not get the duo and have it on hand in case I ever need it for my Coach bags, for my other leather goods. It's good to have on hand. And my sales associate gave me a little treat for shopping because, like I said, I've been spending some money at Coach. And so she gave me this cute little perfume. This is the Wild Rose perfume. And I'm not really a rose scent person, but I gotta tell you guys, it was actually really, really good. And look how cute this bottle is. Like, this is perfect to throw in like my smaller purses to have on the go. It was just very thoughtful, and I really didn't think, you know, she was gonna give me this. I didn't ask for it. I didn't even know they'd give this to you. So I just thought it was really sweet and a nice touch. All right, guys, so that's it for this video. If you liked what you saw, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.